Welcome to Digital Twin Immersive Experience. You are inside Orange People's virtual garage. As you can see, we have a digital twin of a Toyota Camry which is flashing the engine check light. Today you will find out about the generic fault codes of the engine check light. Since this digital twin is connected to the onboard diagnostic device in the physical car at a remote location, we will be pulling the error codes and guiding you through the steps to resolve the errors. I am your voice-assisted coach and will help you throughout this immersive experience. You can look around and familiarize yourself with the environment. I suggest you take a seat so that I can take you inside the car. Kindly turn your head to look at the driving seat so that I can teleport you. Great, as you can see you are in the driving seat, and since this digital twin is connected to the car, we are getting the engine check light signal. There are a couple of reasons that trigger the illumination of the check engine light. Here are generic fault codes that are common to all vehicles that use the onboard diagnostic device. Ignition system faults. Bad spark plugs. Loose gas cap or missing gas cap. Computer output circuit issues. Old battery. Emissions control issues. Transmission issues. Fuel and air metering systems problems. O2 sensor. Since these are the generic error which may trigger the engine check light, let's fetch the data from the onboard diagnostic device which is connected to the actual car. Click the button to fetch the data from the onboard diagnostic device connected to the car. Fetching data from onboard diagnostic device. If you are seated on the driving seat, kindly turn your head to the left in front of the gas cap cover so that I can teleport you. As you can see, onboard diagnostic device is showing that we might have a loose gas cap or missing gas cap. A loose gas cap will not only let in dirt and grime, but it can also allow fuel vapors to escape. These vapors can trigger an error in the emissions system, which would light up the check engine light. I would suggest, if you are sitting, kindly stand up for a better experience. To fix this loose gas cap error code, we need to tighten the loose gas cap. Let me help you with opening the gas cap cover. We need to tighten the gas cap to ensure this issue is fixed. I am highlighting the gas cap for you, which you need to tighten up. Hold the gas cap and rotate it clockwise to tighten the same. Great job! The loose gas cap or missing gas cap error code is now resolved. Kindly turn your head at the car bonnet so that I can teleport you. Great, we will go ahead and resolve the O2 sensor error by replacing the same with a new sensor. As you can see, the new O2 sensor is available on the table, which we will be using to replace the old one. To reach out to the faulty O2 sensor in the car, we need to open the bonnet. Let me help you with opening the bonnet. We need to replace this faulty O2 sensor. To start off, we're going to remove the heat shield. In the actual world, you have to remove the bolts around the heat shield first, but for this immersive experience, let me do the same for you. We have to unplug the connector first. In the actual world, you will be unplugging the connector, but for this experience, I will help. As you can see, I am unplugging the connector for you. Now we will remove the faulty O2 sensor. Grab the faulty O2 sensor. Now rotate the faulty O2 sensor clockwise to unfasten. Great job! This O2 sensor is faulty. Place the same on the table. Great job! Now, we need to replace the O2 sensor. A new O2 sensor is already available on the working table. I am highlighting the same for you. Grab the new O2 sensor. Bring the new O2 sensor close to the socket. I am highlighting the same for you. Now rotate the faulty O2 sensor anti-clockwise to fasten the same. Great job! Now let me help you with plugging the connector in the socket. Great job! Let me help you place the heat shield back on the engine. Let me close the bonnet. We have successfully resolved both the issues. Congratulations! You have successfully resolved the engine check light issue. Hope you enjoyed this immersive experience at OP Virtual Auto Workshop.